Enterprise valuation grows from 100 to 180. Net debt is paid down from 20 to 0. EBITDA grows from 20 to 30. The table provides all of the deltas and averages that we need for the derivative model, and all the equity return multipliers that we need for the logarithmic model. For EBITDA growth, we start with a derivative model absolute value creation number of 25.69 million and a logarithmic model equity return multiplier of 1.500x. Dividing the derivative model absolute value creation number by 44 million of invested capital gives us 0.584x of times money, and dividing the derivative model's absolute value creation number by 44 of total value creation gives us the 58.39% of relative value creation. Raising the deal's 2.00x gross multiple to the power of 58.39% gives us an EBITDA growth equity return multiplier of 1.499x. And as promised, this is really close to the logarithmic model number that you get when you simply divide exit EBITDA of 30 by entry EBITDA of 20. The deal has a holding period of 4 years, and because the equity return multipliers under both models are quite close, the value creation IRRs under both models are also quite close. They're within 0.2%. Logarithmic model relative value creation is log 1.5 divided by log 2, which gives us 58.50%. You can multiply it by 44 million of total value creation to get absolute EBITDA growth of 25.74, and then divide it by invested capital of 44 to get EBITDA growth times money of 0.585x. So this shows that even though the derivative and the logarithmic model equations look very different, and even though that they're derived under a different set of assumptions, the results are quite robust and comparable to one another, usually within a few tenths of a percent.